Hey guys, I just wanted to check in on you and see how everyone's doing. I wanted to do an example. I wanted to play. I did a little bit of a live video the other day and I wanted to do some more. I finally found some scissors so that way I can play some more as well. I just wanted to let you know I am enjoying meeting you and I love the interaction and cannot wait to get to know more about you. I've been posting a few of the games so that way you can earn some points to win some free stuff, some great goodies to get you started so that you can play with our product as well. It is washable and it also can be permanent. To have it permanent, you have to use some type of sealant to seal it to your area that you put on. You can do any type of surfaces you want. You don't have to do just Chalk Couture stuff. You can use your own crafts that you have at home. If you make some of your own, for example, if you make something out of wood, or you make something you know, that you can buy at a store, some metal, anything you can think of. So it's fun. I want to do the Stay Cozy again because I didn't get to really play with it last time, and I want to do a different technique this time. So as you can see, I already did it once, so I'm doing it a second time, and it's reusable. It's dried, and I'm able to use it again. So right here, we're going to make sure that it is straight with no bubbles. You can use your squeegee to take out the bubbles and get it on there really good. Here's another bubble. It is a silk screen material, and if you can't tell, it is pretty cool. So, all right, so today I feel like being a little bit fun. I want to add some, let's see. I think it would be cool if we did the middle. Let's do a little bit of some fall. So I was thinking maybe do red on the edges. This is the paste, Chalkology paste, and it's brand new. And feel free to ask me any questions. The more questions, the better. The more silliness, the better. I like everything to be pretty fun and chill. Oh, it smells good. Wow. Candy apple. That smells good. I didn't even know that it would smell. So I just kind of want to do a little bit right there and just kind of put it around here. Maybe some right here. Just have fun with it. Okay. It's okay if you get on surfaces. I see that on the edge I got a little bit on there. That's okay because all we have to do is put a little bit of water on it. All right, so I want the gold to be in the middle. I think that would be pretty cool to have the gold in the middle. This is a shimmery gold. That's really, really cool. What is it called? Shimmer Harvest. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, got it all over me. I never can be clean. Alright, so I want it to be kind of, let's see. And it doesn't matter if you mix them too much or touch. I just want a little bit on the edges. Kind of want to do an ombre style type thing, so kind of put it here. It does dry kind of quickly, but then okay, I have to wash that off. See, alright, let's see. Well, I didn't put the gold in the middle, but that's okay, because I'll do the white in the middle. I'm just playing around anyways. But I'll put the white in the middle. Alright. And then you just kind of ombre it. See what we can come up with. Where you mix them all together. Okay. Alright. So you always want to pull in the middle, not by the corner. Oh, that's so cool. That came out crazy cool. That came out crazy cool. Oh my gosh. That's really cool. I did get some spots where maybe it's okay because you can wipe it off. Oh, that's cool. I was really wanting to try this technique, and this is my first time to do it. Really cool. And of course, while this is drying, I'm going to go ahead and wash this as well. That is crazy. That came out like that. And that's so cool. It would have been let that soak for a second and I'll get it out. Wow, so that came out really cool. All right, there you have it. Stay cozy. A little bit of ombre in the coziness. I don't even want to undo this. I just want this forever. I'm gonna have to buy another board. That looks so cool. So I can always, since I want to kind of keep it, and I really kind of do, I would have to seal it with something, and I can always add things to it, or yeah, I can always layer on top of it too. And I was gonna do a layer effect with it, but I guess I'm gonna have to dry it, and then I can do on the other side a different, maybe I was gonna do a Chalk Couture, you know. I am amazed by this. This is pretty cool. All right, tell me what you think, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.